Typical dentures are conspicuously artificial in appearance. One of the most common complaints I hear from denture patients is the desire to change their false tooth look. It causes them to be self-conscious, consequently smiling less. The complaint is usually accompanied by shortcomings in the ability to chew and the overall discomfort they experience. At the Jacksonville Center for Prosthodontics and Implant Dentistry, we solve these cases on a daily basis with custom dentures. Custom dentures are, as the name suggests, custom designed dentures that offer a more natural and lifelike appearance. They are handcrafted to complement your personality, your age, gender, and physical appearance. Custom dentures can be provided as traditional dentures or used with dental implants for a stable, retained overdenture. Here are some of the additional reasons our custom dentures are superior to traditional dentures. You're intimately involved in the customization of your new denture. It is never completed until you're happy with your new smile. They are custom made to harmonize with your unique smile and facial structure. We utilize principles of smile design to create beautiful and natural smiles. An elaborate and precise molding process is completed to assure you have the most secure and comfortable fit possible for your mouth. Teeth in a denture are available in multiple sizes, shapes, and shades of white, so you don't get the stamped out denture look which is so common with standard dentures. We use the most natural and beautiful teeth available, German-made Veneris 2 premium denture teeth. They represent the latest innovation in material science, design, and performance, and provide the very best wear resistance and aesthetics. We use state-of-the-art premium materials, which are the lightest weight and most durable available, resulting in high impact strength and longer life. A true merger of art and science allows us to create a unique prosthesis that looks amazing and functions properly.